Hi, and welcome to AssumeList. We're so excited to share this first-of-its-kind real estate tool that gives homebuyers, investors, agents, and brokers the ability to find homes for sale with assumable mortgages. Our mission at AssumeList is to make homeownership more affordable for more people. And affordability is significantly impacted by mortgage rates. For every 1% that mortgage rates increase, monthly mortgage payments also increase by about 10%. In many real estate markets nationwide, interest rate hikes literally price homebuyers out of the market. This massive shift in affordability leads to homebuyers and sellers missing out on opportunities to own the homes they want as they wait on the fate of the market to turn. Even existing homeowners who have a great interest rate on their current home are reluctant to move because of the anxiety and financial pressure of selling their home to obtain a new mortgage with a much higher rate. AssumeList helps remove this market barrier from homeownership, allowing homebuyers to find a home with a much lower interest rate, a rate not available by mortgage lenders anymore, and perhaps never to be seen again in our lifetime. We do this by giving you access to find homes with assumable loans, FHA, VA, and USDA loans that can actually be assumed by a homebuyer. And when you assume one of these loans, you also assume the interest rate and mortgage payment, which can literally save you thousands of dollars every month compared to taking out a new mortgage. 100% of assumable homes on AssumeList have an interest rate below 5%, with the vast majority of homes having an interest rate of 3% or better. Can you imagine saving 30 to 50% on your monthly mortgage? It's possible if you have AssumeList to help you. You can use our tool to search for assumable homes by city, zip code, community, price, and all the important search parameters you need when you're home shopping. Once you find a place you like, AssumeList can also tell you the approximate loan balance, interest rate, and current monthly payment so that you can instantly see how affordable the home is. If you're an agent, AssumeList allows you to search for homes with assumable loans regardless of whether or not they are on or off market, so that you can help find your client's dream home even if it's not yet for sale. With AssumeList, your perfect home with a perfect mortgage payment is now within reach. Subscribe today to take control of the market and get an interest rate that will make you the envy of all your new neighbors.